Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lights, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.